Hello you, how you doing? Long time no see. Have you heard the news? It's crazy it is. Anyway, if you haven't heard the news by now, from the 1st of August last week, wine prices went up in the shop. So now is the perfect time for you to start making your own home brew. That's right, the taxman last week decided to put up wine by 44p a bottle, he did. Crazy. Then there's also VAT on top of that 44p. So each bottle of wine you buy in the shop has gone up to 53 pence a bottle. That's a great big margin it is. What do you think? A bottle of cheap wine costing £5 or so, £5.50, probably the cheapest you get away with. That's not look, that's £6. That is horrendous. And when you think as well, you can make a gallon of wine, that's 6 whole bottles, for about £1.50. Now, what would you rather buy, eh? 6 bottles of homemade wine, or just a tax and duty and VAT on 1 bottle of wine, or 2 bottles of wine? It is bonkers, it is. Anyway, I just wanted to have a bit of a rant about that because it is crazy, the price of wine these days. And it's not so much the actual grape and the juice and the liquid and the alcohol you buy. It's the VAT and tax and duty it is. Bonkers, balmy, crazy. Anyway, so now is the best time to brew your own home brew. First of all, we had COVID, and that shot homebrew numbers through the roof. People couldn't make enough wine because they were bored senseless, they were stuck at home, nothing to do, and they turned to drink they did. They didn't want to fork out a fortune for wine. So, they made their own. And then there's the cost of living crisis that we're still going through. Inflation. Whatever it is, you can't afford a decent 5 bottles of wine per night. So you may as well make your own 6 bottles of wine for £1.50. All you need is some sugar, ingredients, yeast. It's easy to do. And it's dead simple it is. You just pour stuff into a demijohn, add your sugar, and it's dead simple to make. And now with this tax increase on wine and booze and everything in general, it is balmy. But one good thing is, the price of beer in a pub has gone down slightly because of the tax decrease for that. It's keeping pubs alive, it's keeping breweries in business, which is fantastic. I really support local pubs and proper craft breweries and independent brewers who struggle with these tax increases. So now it's actually cheaper to go down the pub and have a pint it is than it was before. And it's cheaper that way than drinking at home, which might be good for the social issues relating binge drinking at home. But then, if you want to drink at home, make your own home brew. Beer, stout, wine, whatever you want to make, it's dirt cheap and it's fun. It's a great hobby. And you'll save, giving the taxman all of your pennies. I will see you really soon with another awesome recipe. Don't know what it is going to be yet, but it will be awesome because homebrew is awesome. If you want to find out how you can make really cheap wine at home with minimal equipment, check out this video by here and I'll see you all really soon. You have fun now.